So it's not a problem with the video, it's dark.
Oh, it's light.
And on setting 2 again you see. Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we have the tool for every craftsman. When I mean craftsman, I mean construction guy, electrician, you name it. We have a DeWalt's floodlight. For all of you guys you don't know, I'm Mr. D.
I'm Zoe.
And we unboxing stuff that we find interest.
Yep.
So let's unbox this.
Let's go.
So this device, it's the best tool for every job that you work in the dark.
Mm-hmm.
We have the ability to run this device for almost a day with a 4-amp battery.
I have here.
We have 2 bars still. So we're gonna go to the testing, we're gonna do a live test so you can see. Zoe can show you the tilting features because the device has tilting features.
Yeah. You just adjust it as you like, as you prefer. So easy. You have this metal holder that you can hang it up if you want to have a light in a specific area and you don't want it standing.
If you are a mechanic and you want to work on your car, this is a solution.
Yes, it is.
All day with 1 battery. And the best of all, you have 2 settings for battery power. So you have 1000 lumines and 600 lumines. This is what they say, but it's very, very handy. And they say, you see the holes and you're gonna say, guys, no, what if it rains? They give a rating IP55 for this device. You can work in the rain.
Yeah.
Obviously, they don't recommend it as any DeWalt device, except it's a water pump, to be exposed to direct rain, but it works.
It works. It won't fail you if it gets a bit wet outside in the rain.
Yeah. So this is the DCL050 model. You see that it clicks very well, and the device is communicating with the battery, so it's not gonna drain the battery and damage it. So it's gonna stop before the battery is completely low. We don't want to blind you. It's bright.
It's bright.
But we're gonna demonstrate the 2 steps on the light so you can see, and we're gonna demonstrate outside. So this is the level 1.
Oh.
This is the level 2 and off. So these 3 settings, very easy. But I believe it's time to go outside and have a look how bright it is. So he's gonna film me. I'm gonna turn on the light and you will see.
Let's go.
So it's not a problem with your the video. It's dark.
It's very dark.
But let's see how this device works.
Oh, it's light.
And on setting 2 again you see. So guys, this is a tool for you. If you trading and you working in dark areas, this is the device for you. The price of it, very good price for what it is. Obviously you looking at the DeWalt quality and the DeWalt warranty. What it does it well. So we recommend it, and obviously we tested it.
Oh, yeah, we did. It's quite bright. If you like in the video, you can obviously see it's completely dark. We could not see anything. There's no light. And you saw how bright it became when they turned on the light. So,
And of course, we use this. We use this in very hard conditions. You know the weather now, it's not the best.
no, it's not.
In the cold, 1 degree, the device was running from almost 3:30 to 9 o'clock at night. The device wasn't protected. It was outside in the cold. You know how batteries go with cold weather. It lasted and we had light. So I believe this is a winner.
Yes,
And
definitely is.
not only that, I say to you, easy to function. You can put a strap here. Of course, it's quite heavy with the battery.
Well, yeah.
But you can put a strap there and have it close to you. You can attach it to something.
Or you can have it
You can
freestanding.
you can turn it up if you're working up. Flexibility and everything. And of course, because it's DeWalt, you have the ability to attach essential things that you might find. You can connect a magnet here with a screw, and it has the same handle as a DeWalt drill. So very handy, waterproof, flexible, and I know I am annoying you with the noise, but when it's dark and you need a light, you're not gonna be annoyed with the noise. You're gonna say, this is it. So, I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
Thank you very much for watching. If you like this device, get it. If you don't like it, okay, that's okay. But we recommend this device because we saw that it really does the job. We don't know how much the lights are gonna last, the LEDs, because they're not replaceable. But if they go wrong,
We will let you know how long they actually lasted in a video.
and we're gonna send it to DeWalt to replace the lights.
Absolutely, yes.
So have a great evening. Thank you very much for watching, and
Thank you for watching. Do not forget, like and subscribe. Bye.
bye guys.